Hey, this video is going to help you to get a bachelor's degree in UX UI design. So we are going to learn what all UX UI designers do and which are different courses you can take to become a design graduate as a UX UI designer. So firstly, we'll understand what exactly do they do, right? UI design is a very new field, but it is also extremely rewarding field, and you will have ability to earn six-digit monthly salary. So you, in fact, more than a salary of a software engineer going to earn. So it even has the colleges like IITs, but we'll talk about it in, we have already talked about it in the colleges of UX UI design. So let's understand basically what UX UI designers do. So idea is to give a better experience to client with the product or the service the company is giving. So every company in today's world is either making a product like mobile product, where Apple is making a mobile product, Samsung is making a product, and Apple is making various other product like tablets, MacBook, and so is the HP and Microsoft. These are making the product, and few companies are making software products, right? The Intel, the Amazon Web Service, and Amazon is giving this entire service of consumer retail marketing. So it is their service. So what makes that experience better when a customer goes to certain website or a certain buys a product from that company? What a customer is expecting and how it will turn out will increase the chances of business of that company. So UX UI designers do this. So UX is usually associated with UI designers. So UI is a very different phenomena where it refers as user interface design. User interface is nothing but how your particular website or how your particular app is going to look when I open it in my mobile phone or when I open it in my computer. So I have already made a video, made a video on all these topics regarding what is a UX design, what is a UI design, what is interaction design, and what is other design. So UX UI design, but to get a bachelor's in UX UI design, it's a 4-year degree course, just like engineering, very same, and very top colleges are having it. So very few colleges have this name called as UX UI designer to become a UX UI design graduate. Very few colleges have started. This is a very new course. So basically, which all different courses can you do to become a UX UI designer? Firstly, if any college has user experience, bachelor's of design in user experience design, you can go with that. If not, then go with interaction, become an interaction designer, or it is also called as human interaction designer in few colleges, where you can learn about interaction design and become a graduate from interaction design. Interaction design basically teaches you how you can interact with the machine, like how I interact with the app or a service, right? So how basically my page and all should look, so that I can easily track it, I can easily go accordingly. To make customer satisfaction much more complete, I can make it wise oriented, right? Or I can scan the opening of my product with my face scanner or my eye scanner. So we keep on improving the things how a product or a service should work. So in interaction design, they literally teach you how to interact with a machine. Next part where you can become a UX UI design graduate is by taking communication design bachelor's in communication design course. Communication design is again nothing but how you communicate to customers, client, with your product or with your service. So basically it's again comes to the crude notion how to develop a app and how to develop a user friendly website, or how to make a user friendly product site, right? Which has more importance than previous one. That's why in the products we keep improving the products, right? Like there is a different version of there is something difference in iPhone 10, then there is some improvement in iPhone 11, then there is some improvement in iPhone 12. So this is what a user experience will collect the data and understand, oh, these are the small problems we are having, so we need to take them, so in the next product they will improve it. So happens with our apps where we can update it directly, and we give update message to all the customers who are using that app, right? So you graphic design, in graphic design, today's modern graphic designers will also have to learn the UX UI design, because it's extremely rewarding career option for a graphic designer, whereas other fields like packaging designer or a product brand designer, they are not going to pay you much sometimes when compared to UX UI designers. So all the graphic designers switch to this. So even the product designers, when they are making physical product, more than the physical product, there is more opportunity in learning app based products. So they again become UX UI designers at the end. So UX UI design is basically a 4-year graduation course. You have all these different B design courses, that is bachelors of design degrees, and the top colleges being NIDs, IITs, and few other. I have already mentioned it in the videos, like top UX UI designs, and these are the colleges you can go, and these are the courses you can look for to become a UX UI designer. And I also gave you the brief information regarding what field does, what it teaches. So it's a degree of 4 years, and you are going to have an amazing learning experience. As it's a new field, I highly recommend you to go to a very well-known colleges, renowned colleges, rather than picking 1 year or 2 year courses, which will not help you much unless and until you know basics of design as a coder or as a designer. So this would be my suggestion. Yes, you can go without degree as well in these fields, but if you have a degree of bachelor's degree from any IIT or NID college, that makes a different notion, and that makes a different sense, and that improves your quality. So check out the videos on UX design, UI design, and interaction design, and the product design. So that will help you to understand what exactly happens in these fields, what exactly happens in in these courses. And colleges, for exams, you have to prepare for UCEED and NID for which my channel is very well known, where I take courses on UCEED exam and CEED exams if you want to do masters in the field. So go and check out the link, entire playlist of what is design, and entire playlist of UX UI designer. Hope this video helped you, and hope you are going to have a great time, and hope you will understand how to take this UX UI design course. And if you like this video, please like the video and share the video with your friends, whoever are interested in this course. And please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching till